What's up, guys? Today I'll be showing you a secret. How do you find hot items on eBay? How do you make sure you make a profit? I will show you a simple step-by-step strategy to find good items on eBay and turn them into profits. No hidden details, no tricks that you need to figure out on your own. I will show you exactly what to do. By the end of this video, you'll have a system to make money with eBay dropshipping in 2020. So, let's dive right into it. First, you need to find a good dropshipper on eBay. Avoid sellers who list thousands of items. They sell very little from each product, and you need hot products that sell a lot. You need to find a dropshipper that has, let's say, between 300 and 2,000 items. I'll share with you the secret to find good dropshippers in a future video. Be sure to smash the subscribe button to not miss out on this very important skill. Now, I've already picked a good seller. Here is the competitor research dashboard of Zik Analytics. Enter his username and select best-selling product for the last 30 days. Here are all his sold items with the best one at the top of the list. Look at this Christmas decoration. It's a 50-piece set of sparkly figures, which is perfect for the Christmas season. Next, open the product on eBay. Click on the numbers sold link. Look at when the purchases happened. It's been selling almost every day. This means this product is hot and trendy. Also, notice the prices for which it sold. The price has been growing from $13 to $23, but the people keep buying it. Another signal that this is a hot item. In general, cheaper items are sold more often and more easily. More expensive items, of course, sell less often. So, if you're looking for a best-selling item with tens of sales this month, it will be an item in the $1 to $30 price range. Now, let's turn to our supplier, in this case, Amazon. First, set the deliver to zip code. I use 94102 San Francisco, but honestly it doesn't matter as long as it's a valid zip code in the States. Okay, we got some results, but some of them are too expensive. We know the average price in eBay was around 20 bucks, so we need items that cost 15 bucks at most. I also enter a minimum of $5 to remove irrelevant stuff from the results. Okay, much better. Actually, these items look very similar to the one we were looking at in eBay. Take a look at this one. It's basically the same and it costs just $10.99, so a lot of room for profit. It's also 53 pieces, which is a bit better than 50 pieces. Great! Also, always check the feedback. If there is no feedback or if it's bad feedback, avoid it. That's too risky. This one has 22 feedbacks and 5 stars, which is great. Looks like we have a winner. Now, let's move back to eBay and look at the original listing. Our goal is to get as close as possible to this listing. First, the title. You can pretty much copy-paste the title to your listing. In this case, we just change it from 50 pieces to 53 pieces. Second, look at the description. You can take it word for word. Be careful to remove and change anything that is not true for your item. Look out for the brand, whether it has batteries or not, and so on. In this case, we can take the description as it is and just change from 50 items to 53 items. That's perfect. Third, UPC codes. It used to be a good idea to copy the UPC code of the item so that eBay thinks it's the same product. Nowadays, very few people list the UPC code. In this case, the seller didn't show it, so we don't add it either. 4, and very important, the category. Check out the category of the item. Scroll up and here it is. Home and garden, holiday and seasonal decor, ornaments. always use the exact same category as the original item. That way, your listing will show up around this item and you will compete with it. Well, folks, that's it. It's really that simple to find a hot item and compete with it. Use this strategy with your own store and make sure to keep listing new hot items every single day. Remember, grinding and hard work always pays off. Next week, I'll be showing you another secret strategy to find hot products and make huge profits. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out.